Can we do it
Everybody, welcome back to the Main Sean Experience. Today we're in Texas at the True by Hilton Galveston. Come on in, let's show you. I'm gonna close this door because it's very, very heavy. So if you've stayed at a True hotel before, kind of the same concept. There's no real closet. It's always some random hangers, and then you have some additional hanging racks here for like different bags. This hotel is pet friendly, so please pause. Furry friends inside. So if you bring your furry friend, you don't scare the housekeepers. You also get a standard fridge here for some drinks, waters, sodas, the huge. You get an ironing board, iron, and this is the one king size bed room. One complaint we have about True is the pillows aren't that great. We've stayed at one in Orlando before, but the bed itself is pretty comfortable. This one has more space than the one we stayed at in Orlando before, but it also has kind of this bench here where you put your shoes underneath. Getting ahead of myself, sorry. There's a bench here. You can put shoes, you can put your backpacks under there. We just got here, so we haven't unpacked. You have a little desk if you're coming here to work. Who wants to work at a hotel? I do. I do it all the time. So you have a working station. This lamp was actually also in the Orlando one that we went to. So furnishings are pretty much the same. This one is a little bit bigger. This one's actually 10 minutes from the Galveston port. So if you're going on a cruise, this is a great place. We got here probably in like 10 minutes, maybe less. So pretty easy to get here, straightforward from the port. Go in here, it's your standard bathroom. You guys know, if you've been watching my room tours, I love a door. I love a shower with a door. I don't know what these hotels are with no doors in the showers because it's annoying because the water goes everywhere. But this one has a door. I have your you have shampoo, conditioner, and also body wash. So all your standards are there. This shower is actually, I think, a little smaller than the one in Orlando, but still nice. You also have hand soap and lotion that's provided to you, and then you have your towels down here. This is a good place to kind of store your toothbrushes and your what are they called? Your essentials. And then down here you have your towels, which you can probably move them around and put some of your utilities, essential bags, whatever, your toiletries. That is the word I was struggling with. Look, we got up early this morning. We're actually just getting back from the cruise, so I'm still a little sleepy. But this is a nice hotel. Again, it's like 10 minutes from the port of Galveston. So if you're traveling out, this is a great place to go. They also have breakfast included, 6 to 9 on weekend. Wait, no, 6 to 9 during the week, and then 7 to 10 on the weekends. They have a pool, they have laundry, they have a gym. This one's actually connected to a Home 2 Suites hotel. So it's a shared space. When it comes to the pool, they do have their own breakfast areas, which I thought was kind of interesting. But we'll also give you some insights on the lobby and what it looks like around. But this is essentially your room, and I think it's a great room if you're looking for maybe a night or two before your cruise, or if you're just partying it up in Galveston. Because when we were driving here, this is our first time in Galveston, we're like, oh, there's a whole boardwalk and a roller coaster. So there's apparently things to do here in Galveston, Texas. But yeah, that is our room tour. We'll show you more around the hotel. Come on. Well, if you're looking to work out before your cruise and we're on vacation, it's a pretty decent gym for a hotel. Nice set of weights, though. I haven't seen such a heavy set of weights. They have all your essentials, cycle bikes, Peloton ones at that. And 2 treadmills. I think it's pretty well equipped for a hotel gym. Oh, and you can get earbuds at the front desk. Hilton thinks of everything, y'all. And I guess if you have a Peloton account, you can also log into it here and track your history or whatever you call it. And this is cool too, in case you're not into the heavy weights and all that. And then they have the laundry room straight across from the gym. You know, you put in your load of laundry and then you go work out. That usually takes 30 minutes or so. $3.35. Woo, Jesus. But it is tap to pay. It's pretty small. 2 washers, 2 dryers, but I'm assuming this won't get much use. I would assume more the guests staying in the Home 2 suites, because that's more of an extended stay hotel versus the True, which is where we're staying at. But as I said, a lot of the amenities are shared on both of the hotels. And shout out to my cameraman, Sean. I usually do this on my own and voice it over, but today, hey. And always dial 911 for an emergency. And if you're stepping out for a bit, please notify the front desk. Maybe they'll, I don't know, will they come check on your wash? I don't know. There's some beach chairs here to sit on. Did you get a little folding table over there? And next to the gym, you can fill up your water bottles before you go into the gym or before going to your room, so you don't have to pay for water. As you can see, both hotels are here and connected. They share a front desk and everything. This hotel has balconies, so if you wanted to purchase a room with a balcony, it overlooks the Gulf of Mexico. Something else I forgot to mention, if you're driving here, parking is $10 a night. So keep that in mind in your budget. They also have a tavern outside of the hotel or in the hotel. If you're here and you like this kind of content, like, subscribe, MASXP23 on our socials, Instagram and TikTok. And thanks for joining us. Bye for now.